For this activity, this is a review for lesson 25. You're going to use RDW, read, draw, write, to solve these problems. For the drawing part, try and draw a tape diagram or double tape diagram with labels to solve. Here is a sample tape diagram to show the labels, to show the number labels inside with the hole, and then the number sentence. If the tape diagram is too tricky for you, just show your work using quick tens, and also a number sentence and a statement to match. Number 1. Julio listened to 7 songs on the radio. Lee listened to 3 more songs than Julio. How many songs did Lee listen to? Use RDW, remember D for drawing a tape diagram or a double tape diagram labeled, or using quick tens with labels as well to show who's Julio, which one's Lee's. Write a number sentence and a statement on the line. Remember, the statement should start with the who of the sentence. And for this one, it is how many songs did Lee? So it should start with Lee listened to blank number of songs. Number 2, Shanika caught 14 ladybugs. She caught 4 more ladybugs than Willie. How many ladybugs did Willie catch? So again, RDW using a tape or double tape diagram or quick 10 drawing using a number sentence and a statement. Remember, the who of the sentence is Willie. Number 3, Rose packed 3 more boxes than her sister to move to their new house. Her sister packed 11 boxes. How many boxes did Rose pack? RDW with a number sentence and a statement with the who, which in this sentence it's Rose. How many boxes did Rose pack? Number 4, Tamara decorated 13 cookies. Tamara decorated 2 fewer cookies than Emmy. How many cookies did Emmy decorate? RDW with a number statement, sentence, and a statement using the who, Emmy, in your sentence. Number 5, Rose's brother hit 12 tennis balls. Rose hit 6 fewer tennis balls than her brother. How many tennis balls did Rose hit? RDW, using a number sentence and a statement with the who, and this is Rose in the sentence. And the last one, number 6. With his camera, Darnell took 5 more pictures than Kiana. He took 13 pictures. How many pictures did Kiana take? RDW with a number sentence and a statement with the who that's in the sentence, Kiana.